Here we are, Contra Costa Powersports, at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2004 Honda Shadow 750 Cruiser. This is liquid-cooled, shaft drive, Honda Aero Cruiser. It's got the long fender in the front, bobbed in the rear, two-tone paint, black and blue. Only 14,000 miles on this gorgeous shaft drive Cruiser. We've got two brand new tires on this baby. Come by, make your motorcycle dreams come true with this awesome Shadow for just $29.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Yeah, baby. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.